Hey everybody, Russell, I'm back. I got some gear for you to check out, and it's going on the donkey. So stick with me and let me show you what we got. And I just took my Osmo Pocket off my little mobile setup, and I'm gonna test out this new windshield slash glass mount here really quick. On my Osmo, I do happen to have a connection right there that I can use. The mount comes just like you see here. It has its 2 or 3 connection points that you can change its angle. All right, and you can lock it, so you have 1, 2, 3 different pivot points, and you can also rotate. Obviously these are a ball pivot in the middle here, and then 2 90-degree joints as well. Like here, I'm going to connect directly to my Osmo with a pretty generic mount on Amazon that you can find it just about anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, mount it to my Jeep, and see how it looks. See if it holds on. All right, so there it is mounted with my Osmo Pocket. Not too snazzy. It's been on there for maybe about 20 minutes now, and still has a nice strong suction to it. I was up there leaving it on because I'm doing a review on a box that I received. But if you were recording with this, such as what I would use it for on a Jeep Trail, Jeep Adventure, you can use a GoPro or any other action camera mount on there, and you can obviously put this on the inside, on the glass, or on your windshield, or on a sunroof. Would work really well if you have a glass panoramic sunroof. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice. I'll give this a run around on a trail or two, and we'll see if this falls off. I'm gonna switch it up to a GoPro, but as of right now, it's not bad. I really do like how it has the ball joint in the center so that you can change the angle of the camera, as well as the 2 90-degree angles that it has, so that you can have better articulation on the mount. I got it mounted in the back window now, and you can see that my Osmo has a good vantage point to track me in the cabin with motion tracking on. So there she is, tracking me, tracking you. I'm in the front now, and yeah, it's not bad. I like it. It has really good articulation in the mount, and it's pretty sturdy as well, so might get a couple more of these for GoPros and other angles. So there you have it, adventure fans. I had a chance to take this thing out last night. Unfortunately, the images were just too dark, but the good news is it did stay on. It hung on tight. I had it mounted to the side of the donkey. I had it on the hood. I put it on the roof. It even stuck to that funky panels. So man, it's good. It's good. It's hard to be mad at something that costs so little and does so much. So, you know, the end result is, yeah, I'm definitely going to get a few of these. Hey, if you like this video, it'd be a great time for you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm going to definitely have more reviews on gear as well as adventures coming up. I'm getting better. I'm getting healthier. So knock on wood, my recovery goes a little bit faster, but I ain't gonna push it too hard. I know some of you out there are like, hey, Russ, slow it down. So yes, I'm gonna get back on the trails. I'm gonna get back out adventuring because I'm like an outdoor cat stuck inside right now. So for now, I'm gonna take this bad boy and use it to see who the hell is stealing all the soda out of the fridge. I know it's one of you. I can find out now. Have that set to auto. And this is Russell from Dawn to Dusk. I'll catch you on the next adventure. Peace.